Morning. Fullwell Quarry fun run? Fullwell Quarry parkrun this morning. Just on the edge of Sunderland. Beautiful May morning. And parking is in the American Golf Car Park and Miller and Carter, which I think is a steakhouse. I have heard that people aren't very good at clearing their dog muck up from around this particular park, and there has been evidence of that. So mind your feet as you're walking along. Fullwell Quarry parkrun is 2. And we are off.
What? Are you okay? Yeah, I'm alright.
Did someone fall over? A bit congested there. One kilometre, 7:32. Kilometres. 8:23 for that one. Thank you, Marshall. Well done, keep going. 3 kilometres. 9:14 for that one. I'm walking most of this because I've got Sunderland 10k tomorrow and I want to save myself of it. Still need to get my 10,000 steps in. Hence doing this. And it tidies off another Nendy. Thank you, Marshall. Four kilometres, 7:19. The downhill bit better ran. Thank you, Marshall. Brilliant effort, well done.
Thank you.
A little bit to go. Keep running. Thank you, Marshall. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Brilliant, thank you. Brilliant, thank you. And we are done. And we are done. But not in today because we walked a lot of it. Thank you. And there we go.
It's good afterwards though, isn't it? Thank you.
And there we go.
Well done. Go and get yourself a piece of cake now.
Thank you very much. Thank you. And that is Fullwell Quarry done. It's quite a nice course actually. I thought it was going to be a bit hillier than that, so I have to come back and actually run it when I'm not doing a 10k the next day. Thank you for watching.